Hi everyone, I'm Adora with Green Acres Nursery and Supply, and today we'll be creating some succulent bowls for our Create class this month. So for supplies, you're of course going to need first your bowl, some soil, moss, any decorative rocks that you'd like, succulents of course, and any little face pot or terracotta pot, or anything a little bit bigger than this, honestly, whatever fits inside your bowl. Sometimes we get like these cute little face ones, or you could also just use terracotta if that's more your style. So the first step is going to be to lay down your cactus and succulent mix in your bowl. And you're just gonna wanna go however high it takes for the succulents to sit nicely on top. And once you're done laying down your soil and you're happy with the height that it's at, you can just place down your little pot in the center, however you like, and start laying down your sure start where the succulents are going to be. And just a little bit for these little guys. And once you're done with that, you can start laying down your succulents in any way that you'd like. You can kind of play around with the colors and the different types of succulents as we've done here. Alright, and then once you're happy with where they're placed, you can start filling in the soil. And it's no big deal if you get a little dirt inside the succulent. You could just take something like a little brush and take out the dirt from there. And once there's enough soil all the way around, you can start laying down your rocks. Just all the way around. You can use any kind of color that you'd like, but we just like to use white to make everything just pop. And once you're satisfied with your rocks, you can see that there's some spaces in between the succulents. So we're just gonna put some green moss in between. So just taking little chunks, we can just pop it in between, and it adds another little bit of color. And then when that's all done, you can just clean up your pot a little bit. Now that you have your cute little succulent bowl to care for it, for outside you're going to want to first make sure you know the names of your succulents and making sure that you know the preferences for that. But to keep it safe, and for a lot of our succulents here, they're okay with partial shade, so having it in a covered patio would be a really good idea. And then if you have it inside, you want to make sure you're giving them as much bright light as you can. But for both places, you're going to want to make sure that the soil is getting completely dry in between waterings. So thank you for watching. I hope this was a fun project to occupy your time. Subscribe for more and enjoy your succulent bowl.